Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your PC is updated and the Xbox controller battery is charged. This prevents connection hiccups. Plug in via USB-C for instant recognition, or hold the controller's pair button to use Bluetooth. Make sure Windows Bluetooth is on. Once done, open Steam and go to Settings Controller to enable Steam input so Steam can manage mappings. This initial setup ensures Steam recognizes the controller and lets you customize behavior game by game. Now pair and configure. If wired, Windows installs drivers automatically. If wireless, use Windows Bluetooth pairing or the Xbox wireless adapter for lower latency. Then launch Steam. Enable Xbox configuration support under controller settings. This lets Steam remap and share profiles. Open Big Picture to test inputs and calibrate sticks, triggers, and dead zones so analog movement feels right. Make sure to save a profile per game. This prevents conflicts and preserves custom bindings tailored to each game's control scheme. Finish by launching your game and verifying button prompts and vibration behave as expected. Some titles require Steam input turned off to use native Xbox mappings. If inputs fail, reconnect the controller, restart Steam, or toggle Big Picture mode. Small restarts clear driver conflicts. If problems persist, update the Xbox controller driver in Device Manager or reinstall it, and ensure Windows Bluetooth drivers are current. One key troubleshooting tip: switch between Steam input on and off to see which mode your game prefers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.